if you see this one page website, which is what is my screen's resolution or what is my screen size, and there is only one page, and here you can see one ad, two, three, four, five, and six, seven, eight, and 10 places. More than 10 places have ads on this website, and there is no any other page on this website. Only have a blog section where they have written blogs related to their screen resolution keyword. And if you go here, you can see how to check my web browser's version, how to check my change in the max screen resolution. So these are only 5 blogs on this website. And if you go back on the homepage, you can see there are a lot of ads are appearing. And if you check the earning of this website, you will be shocked how much this website is earning. This website for now is getting only 3,000 of users and getting almost $400 per month traffic value for this website. And if you see here, domain rating is 0 and domain UR is 0. It means they don't have any backlink, they don't have anything else, they don't create any backlinks. So with 0 backlinks and 0 DR, your website is getting $500 traffic. So how you can create this quick website, in this video I'm going to show you in a very basic step. So let me get started. You just need to visit this website, lovable.dev. This is a free of cost website where you can create AI websites within few seconds. So here you just need to paste this website link here and write the prompt here. I have given this prompt into the description. You can just copy and paste the prompt here. Here I have given this prompt and this website link and just hit enter, and it will automatically generate this kind of website for you that tells the screen sizes for you. Now, within few seconds, our website is ready. You can see they have created the exact clone of this website's functionality. What is my screen resolution? And this is the exact screen resolution of my, screen, which is, detecting successfully. Now, you can easily publish this website and the URL of this website will be added. So if you want to add a custom domain, you can also add your custom domain, but I will go with a sample domain because I'm not adding here a custom domain. So I will just click here to continue, and here I will say public and just click on continue. And here you can just add the social media images and so on. So I just click on continue and click on publish. Now our website is published with the dummy URL. Keep in mind, this dummy URL can be replaced with your domain when you will add your custom domain here. But for now, I'm not adding custom domains, but I'm giving you a sample of this website. Now, our website is live. I just copy the URL, and here I will just paste this URL here in the, Chrome browser, and let's see the live website URL. And here you can see this is live, and here you can see edit with Lovable, and here is the homepage of this website. Now the next step is how you can write the blogs for this website. As you can see, there are the blogs for this website, and here they have written 5 blogs for the website. Here you can see there are 5 blogs on this website. So how you can write this, and this is very simple. First of all, you need to do the keyword research. So for doing keyword search, you can use the href. In the href keyword search, for example, what is my screen size, or my screen size is my keyword. So my screen size is my basic keyword, for example. And here I will make the keyword research for my this keyword. So here we can see what is my screen size is more than 1000. What is screen size more than 100. So for example, what is my screen size is the keyword. There I want to write a blog for this. So I will go back here in the lovable. In here, I write a prompt. Now with this prompt, we will create a blog page as well as write a blog post for our website, which will be highly SEO optimized. So this prompt is also provided into the description. So you just need to hit enter, and it will create a blog page as well as write a stunning SEO blog for us automatically, including images and backlinks. Now you can see the blog page has been created, and if you click on blog page, and here you can see including images, they have created an amazing blog post for us. You can see including the backlink it to our home page. Now If you click on publish and update, so let's see on our live URL. Now, this is the live URL of the website, and if you click on blog, you can see the blog page has been added. So just like that, you can add more blogs on the blog section, and your homepage will be also linked as the backlink as our reference website is doing. So here, if you want to link your SS account after getting approval, you can just click on project settings. In here in the project setting, you can link your project with your AdSense, as well as you can add more settings, and you can also attach your domain with your website. So here you can connect your existing domain. If you have existing domain, you can easily connect, and if you want to buy a new domain, you can also buy a new domain with the level. So this is how you can create an amazing one-page website which can earn at least $500 for you with zero backlink and zero DR. It means a new website with no any backlink or any DR. You can, start earning with this one page blog. So I hope you love this video, and if you love this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and comment below what the next topic you need the video. Thank you so much.